Pilot Handbook 1.3 Introduction to Flying. Now, let's delve into the vital role of the Federal Aviation Administration and how it navigates the complex skies of regulations and safety standards. The Federal Aviation Administration's authority, enshrined in the Code of Federal Regulations, CFR, forms the backbone of rules governing civil aviation. For pilots, specific sections of 14 CFR take center stage during flight training. Part 61 outlines the certification and training requirements, while Part 91 provides guidance on general flight rules, visual flight rules or VFR, and instrument flight rules or IFR. Meanwhile, Part 43 tackles aircraft maintenance, preventive measures, and alterations. As we explore the Federal Aviation Administration's primary locations, we find its headquarters in Washington, D.C., and 9 regional offices strategically positioned across the United States. Noteworthy among the Federal Aviation Administration's field facilities are the Mike Monroney Aeronautical Center or MMAC in Oklahoma City, a hub for aviation safety and business support, and the William J. Hughes Technical Center or WJHTC in Atlantic City, the premier facility for aviation research, development, and testing. Here on the ground, field offices, particularly the Flight Standards District Office or FSDO, serve as crucial points of interaction between the Federal Aviation Administration's Flight Standards Service and the broader aviation community. The Flight Standards Service is the linchpin for promoting safe air transportation. It accomplishes this through certification, inspection, surveillance, investigation, and enforcement, setting regulations and standards, and managing the system for registering civil aircraft and airman records. Now, let's zoom in on the Federal Aviation Administration's commitment to safety. It extends beyond regulations, with active involvement in research and development at the WJHTC. This center spearheads innovations in air traffic control, communication, navigation, airports, aircraft safety, and security, shaping the trajectory of aviation systems and technology. So, as pilots navigate the regulatory landscape, the Federal Aviation Administration, through its multifaceted structure, stands firm in its commitment to upholding the highest standards of safety in civil aviation. Let's explore the world of aviation safety inspectors or ASIs in the Federal Aviation Administration Safety Team or FAST Team to understand their crucial roles in enhancing aviation safety. ASIs play a pivotal role in administering and enforcing safety regulations for various aspects of civil aviation, including production, operation, maintenance, and modification of aircraft. These inspectors specialize in conducting inspections related to aircraft and parts manufacturing, aircraft operation, airworthiness, and cabin safety. To become ASIs, individuals undergo comprehensive training at the Federal Aviation Administration Academy in Oklahoma City, covering airman evaluation, pilot testing techniques, and procedures. Continuous on-the-job and recurrent training further enhances their skills. With approximately 3,700 inspectors in its Flight Standards District Office or FSDO offices, the Federal Aviation Administration ensures a robust safety oversight system. Now, shifting our focus to the FAST Team, it stands as a testament to the Federal Aviation Administration's dedication to improving the safety of civilian aviation in the United States. Originating from the Aviation Safety Program or ASP, the FAST Team aims to further reduce aircraft accidents by addressing elusive accident causes. With regional FAST Team offices in each of the FAA's 9 regions, managed by Regional FAST Team Managers or RFMs, this safety program collaborates with individuals in the aviation industry to foster a unified effort against accidents. The FAST Team actively engages in training, outreach, and education, emphasizing a coordinated approach to prioritize safety. For those seeking assistance from the Federal Aviation Administration, various avenues are available. Whether through phone, internet, or mail, individuals can access information or connect with Federal Aviation Administration representatives. The Federal Aviation Administration's commitment to transparency is evident through its online resources, providing a wealth of reference materials, including regulations, handbooks, and advisory circulars or ACTs. ACTs serve as informational documents distributed to the aviation community, covering a range of topics from compliance methods to industry regulations. These documents are instrumental in resolving misunderstandings, responding to government entities, and promoting aviation safety standards. In conclusion, both ASIs and the FAST Team contribute significantly to elevating safety standards in civil aviation. ASIs ensure compliance through rigorous inspections, while the FAST Team takes a proactive approach by educating and collaborating to prevent accidents. Together, they form a dynamic force committed to fostering a safety-oriented aviation culture. Now, let's delve into the vital realm of notices to airmen, or NOTAMs. These are real-time nuggets of aeronautical information that are either temporary or not known sufficiently in advance for inclusion in standard publications. The National Notice to Airmen (NOTAM) system ensures that this information is disseminated promptly, serving as a crucial component for ensuring flight safety. Here, we encounter various scenarios prompting NOTAM issuance. Picture air shows, parachute jumps, kite flying, and rocket launches, all potential hazards that necessitate immediate awareness. Additionally, flights by significant figures like heads of state, closed runways, or inoperable radio navigational aids are among the factors triggering NOTAMs. Military exercises, resulting in airspace restrictions, and issues like inoperable lights on tall obstructions further contribute to the need for NOTAMs. Even the temporary placement of obstacles near airfields or the passage of flocks of birds through airspace, known as a BIRDTAM, calls for these crucial notifications. Snow and ice affecting runway, taxiway, apron conditions, or an operationally significant change in volcanic ash or dust contamination, an ASHTAM, are examples of information included. Moreover, software code risk announcements, along with patches to address specific vulnerabilities, find their place in NOTAMs. These NOTAMs come in various categories: NOTAM, D, for Distant Dissemination, Distant and Flight Data Center, FDC, NOTAMs, Pointer NOTAMs, and Military NOTAMs relevant to military airports or NAVAIDs within the National Airspace System, NAS. Accessible through Flight Service Station, FSS, Direct User Access Terminal Service, DUATS, private vendors, and multiple online platforms, pilots have a range of channels to stay updated. When it comes to NOTAM, D information, it encompasses navigational facilities within the NAS, covering public use airports, seaplane bases, and heliports listed in the chart supplement US Now. This information extends to details such as taxiway closures, personnel and equipment near or crossing runways, and specifics on airport lighting aids that don't impact instrument approach criteria, like the Visual Approach Slope Indicator, VASI. DNOTAMs are mandated to start with specific keywords, indicating the nature of the information they provide.